New design, new icons, new animations, visual intelligence everywhere, message polls and backgrounds, live translation, hold assist, call screening, better image playground and shortcuts, auto mix, games, less terrible Photos app, and so much more. It's iOS 26. It supports any iPhone from the iPhone 11 and newer, and it's available right now. Go ahead and install it, and let's talk about all of the changes. The first thing you'll notice is the new liquid glass design. It's more sleek, modern, fresh, and alive. All the icons are redesigned and they can be made clear or with better tints. And this design extends into apps. The tab bars at the bottom of most apps have been redesigned system-wide to be more rounded and fluid, more naturally conforming to the rounded corners of the display. The lock screen has also been made more vibrant with the ability to stretch the time and bring your photos to life with a spatial 3D effect. And this design is the same across your iPhone, iPad, Mac, Vision Pro, Apple TV, and Apple Watch, so it feels consistent from the device to device. A couple of app designs have also been updated to take full advantage of this new liquid glass design. In Safari, there's the option to choose a new compact tab bar, which you can choose alongside the existing bottom and top tab bars. The phone app has a new unified layout option. The camera app has a more simplified layout with access to the other options being tucked away. And the Photos app finally doesn't suck as much, as there's tabs once again. There's many more apps that have and will be updated to accommodate this new design. Apple Intelligence also gets some updates for iPhone 15 Pro and newer. Now there's a system-wide live translation in Messages, FaceTime, and the phone app. And there's live translation with AirPods as well if you have AirPods Pro 2, Pro 3, or AirPods 4 with ANC. Image Playground has also been updated to feature support for ChatGPT image generation and the ability to mix emoji now. You can also use Siri shortcuts to tap into Apple Intelligence modules manually. And my favorite feature for Apple Intelligence now is Visual Intelligence now works on your screen. When you take a screenshot, you can quickly look up content in that screenshot via Google or ask ChatGPT. If you need something translated, you can do it here as well. And you can even add dates and events to your calendar as well. It's genuinely pretty useful. There's also a clear big focus on communication this year. Call screening will silence unknown callers until they state their name and reason for calling. Unknown senders are also finally hidden away in a separate page in the Messages app. Hold Assist lets you walk away from a call if they've put you on hold. And you can also add polls to your messages and backgrounds in your message conversations as well. Maps now understands your preferred routes rather to just choosing one for you. Apple Music now features auto mix and lyric translations. You can also create a digital ID in the Wallet app with using your US passport. And there's a new, kind of useless Games app that's basically Game Center 2.0. The preview app from the Mac also comes to the iPhone and iPad now, and is designed primarily to mark up PDFs and images. There's also a few more smaller changes. There's adaptive power mode with Apple Intelligence, which can identify when you're going to run low on power and make adjustments to keep your battery life up. You also finally get a charging estimate on your lock screen. You'll get a hint to clean your camera lens when it's dirty. You can reorder or remove controls in the camera control on iPhone 16, iPhone 17, and iPhone Air models. You can export notes as markdown files. A new reminders control can be added to the control center, lock screen, or the action button, and much, much more. iOS 26 is available to install right now on the iPhone 11 and newer, but if you aren't ready to update yet, or if you're using an older device, iOS 18.7, iOS 16.7.12, and iOS 15.8.5 are available for iPhones going as far back as the iPhone 6s. Let me know what your favorite new feature is in the comments.